Ford Edge came in with reported brake noises, rattling or squeaking, etc. Could not find anything wrong with the brakes besides a little bit of warped rotors, almost barely noticeable. But upon further inspection, I found a drive shaft center support bearing that has completely failed, allowing the drive shaft to, hold on, let me get a hand on this, flop around. You can see it's totally broken all the way around. And the back, there's another center support bearing, and that one it's still holding in there, but you can see around it, it's cracked. So I bet you this would cause vibration and noise and squeaking and all kinds of problems.